Ecosystem structure. The biotic components of ecosystems are producers considered as autotrophs. They undergo photosynthesis. Consumers considered as heterotrophs. They undergo aerobic respirations. And the decomposers. The terrestrial ecosystems. These each cover about one-fifth of the Earth's surface and occur where rainfall is less than 50 centimeters per year. Tundra is a biome where the tree growth is hindered by low temperatures and short growing seasons. Taiga, it is also known as boreal forest, is a biome characterized by coniferous forests consisting mostly of pines, spruces, and larches. Temperate deciduous forests or temperate broadleaf forests are dominated by trees that lose their leaves each year. They are found in areas where warm, moist summers alternate with mild winters. Temperate grasslands are composed of a rich mix of grasses and forbs and underlain by some of the world's most fertile soils. Chaparral is a shrubland or heathland plant community found primarily in the U.S. state of California. Tropical rainforest covers about 6% of the Earth's total land surface. They are mainly located around the belt at the equator. The climate of the rainforest is warm most of the year and has a lot of rain through most of the year. Savanna, characterized by the trees being sufficiently widely spaced so that the canopy does not close. An aquatic ecosystem is an ecosystem in a body of water, communities of organisms that are dependent on each other and on their environment live in aquatic ecosystem. Marine ecosystems cover approximately 71% of the Earth's surface and contain approximately 97% of the planet's water. Freshwater ecosystems cover 0.80% of the Earth's surface and inhabit 0.009% of its total water. An estuary is a partly enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or streams flowing into it, and with a free connection to the open sea. Ecological succession is a gradual replacement of one kind of community of organisms by another over time. It is initiated by disturbance. Primary succession begins with barren area or no soil. Then there will be slow soil development by withering, activities of tolerant species called pioneer species. Gradual change over to less tolerant species over long periods of time, equilibrium or successional species. Secondary succession begins with soil already in place. Rapid change over to less tolerant species over shorter periods of time. It is rapid because soil already present. Ecological niches. Within ecosystems, different species interact in different ways. These interactions can have positive, negative, or neutral impacts on the species involved. Competition is a relationship where both species are harmed. Predation describes a biological interaction where a predator feeds on its prey. Parasitism is an interaction in which one species benefits and one is harmed. Mutualism, both species benefit. Relationship may not be essential for either. Commensalism is an interaction in which one species benefits, one is not affected. Amensalism is an interaction in which one species harms another, typically by releasing a toxic substance, but is not affected itself.